Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to disable Google Voice typing. First of all, you need to understand in new update there is no option to disable Google Voice from Google Chrome. So we just check, you simply press on profile icon, Google services. So you can see there is a lot of the option, but there is no option to disable Google Voice services or voice typing. So simply you can go back or open your mobile phone settings. Simply search for app management. Open the app list. Here you can search Google. Press on that. Scroll down, press on permissions. Simply press on microphone and simply press on don't allow. Now you are able to disable Google voice typing. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.